Every hacker you see online can intercept browser traffic. They can see login requests, tokens, cookies, everything. But most beginners never learn the real setup. Today, I will show you the exact Burp Suite setup used by real ethical hackers. After this video, you will be able to capture HTTPS traffic, control browser requests, and set up Burp Suite like a professional. My name is ACW360. I teach real-world hacking in simple steps. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. Type sudo apt update. Then type sudo apt install Burp Suite. This installs Burp Suite in Kali Linux. Now type Burp Suite. Click I accept, click Next, click Start Burp. Go to Proxy tab, click Options. Make sure the listener is running 127.0.0.1:8080. This makes your browser talk to Burp Suite. Now open Firefox, search and install foxyproxy standard. Click foxyproxy. Options. Proxy. Add new proxy. Fill this. Title, Burp. Host 127.0.0.1 port 8080. Save and turn it on. Now we unlock HTTPS. Without this step, you cannot see secure websites. In browser type, http://burp. Click CA certificate. It will download a file. Go to Firefox menu. Settings. Search for certificates. Click View certificates. Click Import. Select the Burp certificate. Now check. Trust this CA to identify websites. Click OK. Intercept real traffic. Now go back to Burp Suite. Click Intercept. Turn it on. Open any HTTPS website. For example, google.com. Now look, the request appears inside Burp Suite. You are now intercepting traffic like a real hacker. If this worked for you, like this video. Subscribe for real hacking tutorials. Comment, I am ready if you reach this level.